a gathering of visionaries, entrepreneurs, and professionals ready to take bold steps towards success.
Not only that we're going to redefine how partnership works, not only that we're going to redefine how businesses and professionals thrive together. What we're going to do right now is we're going to redefine how the whole industry works. And that is Premier Lifestyle Club. But the difference is, here, not only that you can take advantage of the privileges and rewards of this club, but you can enroll into a financially rewarding program. All of the partners here can generate a substantial amount of cash flow.
Ang ating partnership, mapapansin nyo, we are keep on innovating. Ginamit namin yung presentation na kinonvert namin yung language kasi yung aming mga clients, yesterday is mga taga Kyrgyzstan. Initially 5 yung aming clients nung time na yun. Nung piniplay ngayon yung naka-convert na language, ang galing ng Premier Lifestyle Hub natin.
I'm doing this industry for the past almost 20 years. Right? At first time ko lang makakita ng ganitong klaseng concept. We've been successful, but then again, there's this market na hindi natatap. These are those pre-professionals and business people, which are those people na nandito ngayon sa loob ng room na to.
Yeah.
You understand? Talagang nilalayo natin ng sarili natin sa traditional way. Not to actually discredit them. Ang dami pong yumaman na talaga doon, naging successful. But then again, ang market nun, iba. And there's this market na tayo kukuha. And that includes actually the international.
Vision nito is not only here in Manila, but also in the province and sa ibang bansa. So, yun. Kaya yung company, no, talagang inayos natin yung products na hindi lang pang Pilipinas, kundi pang international. Ang dito kasi, start with yung belief. No? We started with the program na naniniwala kami na lalaki.
So credibility and trust comes from within. You have to know and believe it, and then be able to share it with other people.
You do a lot. You are multitasking. So definitely, it takes a toll on your physical and mental health. And that's why the supplements will really give you a advantage and a boost for both your physical and mental health. Makakatulong talaga.
Kaya ang galing, buti na lang talaga with Premier Lifestyle yan. Meron tayong mga supplements. And the good news is, dahil nabanggit na kanina ni Doc, diba, with our sister company, tayo pong nasa Premier Lifestyle, we have access to our sister company's products.
I saw big opportunities here in PLC because in processing a visa, we're just limiting to a certain country, depends on the services that we provide to our clients. Unlike with PLC, we can connect with different types of people without worrying about on the language barrier of that certain country.
Pero dito, which is a Premier Lifestyle, pag na-establish na natin to at naaral mo talaga yung hub natin at nagtuloy-tuloy, yung leverage natin dito, magtutuloy-tuloy na.
As long as you love what you do, hindi mo mararamdaman yung hirap at kulang pa sa oras. You always love what you do. Yung dapat ang important.
Tama.
Welcome to Premier Lifestyle Club!